what's up? Welcome back to my channel. So this is a very special video because today we are beginning our prep for going to America. I cannot believe that in 2 days I'm gonna be getting on an airplane and going to America, because part of me feels like I haven't been in America in years. Like, even though I've been in Korea for only like 5 months now, it just feels like I've been here for so much longer. If you've ever lived abroad, you probably know exactly what I mean. But yeah, I'm going back for Christmas. I'm super lucky that I even get enough time off to do this. And I finished just about all of my Christmas shopping today, actually. I woke up early this morning and I went to the department store and I went to the underground subway shops and I just shopped until I dropped, you guys. Like, I got so much stuff. And the only other things that I have to get are like snacks to bring back. I wanted to hold off on getting a lot of the snacks because I knew that if I got a ton early, I would just want to eat them. So I still have to go do that later today. Anyways, I just got back from shopping and I had to come back because I had so much stuff in my hands that I had to like come drop it all off. But it's actually about 1 o'clock right now and I am going to make myself something to eat because I didn't eat breakfast this morning. And then I have to go to this store to pay my cell phone bill because it's just so confusing for me to do it online via bank transfer, so I'd rather just like go there and pay it. So yeah, that's kind of my plan for today, and then when I get home this evening, I'm gonna like pack my actual suitcase. So yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you're new here, what's up? Don't forget to subscribe and be sure to follow me on Instagram for more behind the scenes of my travels throughout Korea and America. But all right, let's go ahead and make some food, and then we're gonna head over to the cell phone shop. Okay, I just changed cameras because I have to let my other camera charge. But while I make my lunch, I just kind of wanted to give you guys the rundown, I guess, on my travels to America, because obviously if you've ever flown international like that, you know that it is a really kind of long process unless you have a direct flight, and there are no direct flights from North Carolina to Korea or Korea to North Carolina. So on Tuesday I am going to go to work, and then I am really lucky and my bosses are letting me leave a little bit early. So I'm gonna be leaving my work at about 2:15. And then I am gonna go straight to the airport. So I'm gonna bring my bags. I'm gonna bring my bags to work just so that I don't have to stop home and pick them up, because that would obviously waste some time. And then I have my first flight is to China, and that takes off at around 6 o'clock. My second flight is then from China to San Francisco, and I don't even know what time that takes off. I will get to North Carolina in the morning on Christmas. So it's just like a miracle to me that I'm getting home on Christmas. I definitely can say that this will be like the best Christmas ever. I told my parents, like, please don't get me anything, just like having your presence is the greatest gift ever. And if you've ever been away for that long from your family, then you definitely know what I mean. So yeah, that's kind of my itinerary. Getting all my shopping done makes me feel like I have my life a lot more together. I feel so much less stressed now. Now it's just about packing and getting everything sorted out. I need to find my phone SIM card because I'm gonna change my SIM card when I get back to America, obviously. Tomorrow, Monday, after work, I'm also gonna go get my lashes done, just because it's always nice to have your lashes done when you travel so you don't have to worry about doing a ton of makeup. And if you watched my last vlog, you would know that I just got a magic straight perm, which is why my hair is looking all straight today. So yeah, that's kind of another thing I did to prep. Alright guys, so it is later on in the evening now, and I'm going to start packing my actual bag. So this is the main piece of luggage that I'm going to be bringing. As you can tell, it's super small, and honestly I think I'll be fine with just this little small piece of luggage, because all of the gifts that I'm bringing back for everyone, which is like the bulk of what I'm bringing, I'm going to be bringing this reusable like plastic bag, and I'm just going to double bag it. And I've checked these several times and they always work great, but it's just nice because it's just kind of like a easy piece of luggage because I can just fold it back up and bring it back to Korea after. Oh, and also look at how cute all of these little gift bags are that I got. like these little holiday themed gift bags. Aren't these adorable? So yeah, I'm gonna be putting all of the gifts and the food into this thing, and then I'm just gonna be putting my clothes into here. So I think the hardest thing is gonna be picking out what clothes I wanna bring, because obviously I'm gonna try and pack really light, so I don't wanna bring a ton of stuff. Oh, and then also look at how cute these masks are that I got from the Cacao Friends store. They have Ryan's face on them, like what? Okay, so with the exception of bras, socks, and underwear, these are all of the clothes I'm gonna be bringing. So as you can tell, it's just super, super light. I don't need a ton of stuff at all. I also do have clothes at my parents' house. And then I'm also gonna be bringing a sweatshirt and a furry coat, but I'm gonna wear those on the plane. Alright, so since my packing just then took literally 5 minutes, I am gonna sit down now and write some Christmas cards. I got a ton of Christmas cards the other day, and they're just like super, super oriental looking, and I love them. I think my family and my friends are really gonna like these too. And can we just talk about the price? 2 for less than $1. Like, America, please get on this trend, because I'm tired of paying $8 for cards in America. I also made a Nukcha latte. I made it with water this time. I usually make it with almond milk, and I can't decide if I like water or almond milk more. I think I like it better with almond milk, but it's just easier on my stomach when I drink it with water. But anyways, I'm going to set you guys up and fill these out. I also have a holiday playlist on right now, so I'm like really feeling Christmassy. But yeah, guys, I have so much to be grateful for this year. I feel like this time of year I always am reflecting and just realizing how much I have to be grateful for. So I have to give a big shout out to you guys. Thank you so much for supporting my channel always. And I just can't wait to see what the next year brings for us. Alright, I'm about to take out some recycling. Super exciting, guys. But no, I just want to make sure I have a really spotless and clean house to come home to. And also, look what came! Cleo's little food and water bowl. And then I also got her this from the store the other day. And I want to get her maybe a couple more toys to come home to, if I have time. I need to get her a little toy basket. But yeah, here's her little food and water bowl. But anyways, I'm gonna run downstairs with this recycling. Fun fact, Korea is like super, super specific about their recycling. You have to separate it like down to the T. So your vinyl bags go in a different bin than your regular plastic, and like your plastic bottles go in a different bin from the other plastic, and you gotta put cans separately and cardboard separately. I'm not complaining. It's actually really, really smart, and I don't know why more countries don't do that. Maybe more countries do, and America's just backwards. I don't know. Okay, let's go downstairs. Good morning, everybody. So it is Monday, which means today marks one day until I leave. So honestly, I don't really have much more to report other than tonight I'm gonna go get my eyelashes done right after work. And then I guess after that, I'll kind of just be taking it easy, as I don't really have anything else to do. But, ooh, I didn't realize I cooked so much. Oh, also on my lunch break, I have to go to the grocery store because they were all closed yesterday. In Korea, like once every couple of weeks, they close all the big chain grocery stores on Sunday, just so that smaller businesses will get more, I guess, customers, which I think makes great sense. At 12 o'clock, I'm gonna run over to, I guess, E-Mart or Home Plus, and I'm just gonna grab some snacks. Oh, also, here is my work outfit today. Just doing some little loafers, jeans, this like wool shirt. I love this shirt. I want to get more of these. And then my long brown coat from Zaful. Oh, I also got a new black bag. I love these little pouches. These are super popular here. I got this while I was Christmas shopping yesterday, so I'm wearing this too. Hi guys, so it is 12:40 right now. So far, everything is going as planned. I went to the store and I picked up the remainder of snacks that I wanted to bring home. So here's the stuff that I picked up today. I just got some pepper. It's for a specific friend. These I'm not a fan of, but everyone here loves them, so I'm gonna send them to like my brother and his girlfriend. Got more of these. These croissant chips are really freaking good, so I have to get some to share with everyone. I got more of these guys. I got more of these. I ended up eating some of these, which is why I got more. I picked up a couple of these little gummy chocolate orange things. These are actually so good. I don't know why I didn't get more. Then I also got a box of kimchi jjigae for one of my friends because I think she would really like this. So here is the remainder of the food I got, and I'm just gonna try and get this all packed in that bag, and I'm gonna double bag it. So I am now home from work. It's actually almost 9 o'clock. So after work, I went to my lash appointment. I got my eyelashes done. This is what they look like. But yeah, I think they turned out pretty well. You'll be able to tell better, I guess, tomorrow when I show you my makeup before I go to work. But I also stopped at a beauty store and I picked up some of these magic press nails because one of my nails like popped off, and I looked for glue just so I could glue it back on, but they didn't have any nail glue. So I literally just got these magic press nails, and I'm gonna press one of these onto my nails right now. But other than that, I just ordered myself some dinner because I want to have one good last dinner before I go back to America, because to be honest, I much prefer Korean food compared to American food. Don't get me wrong, I am excited like for American food, but I'm just like gonna miss Korean food definitely. So I ordered some food. I'll show you that when it arrives later, but now I think I'm gonna take a shower. Yeah guys, it's so soon. This time tomorrow I will be in China waiting for my flight to California, so it's all super soon. But anyways, I've been resting for a while now, so I need to get up and get showered and kind of get this show on the road. So it turns out I never hit the confirm button on the beautiful Korean meal I planned to order. And 2 hours later I was like, where's my food? And then I realized I never ordered it. So I just ordered mozzarella sticks and a McFlurry instead. So cheers to that. But honestly, this McFlurry is so good. And I usually don't crave these, but I just wanted one. This one is the strawberry Oreo. Do they have these in America? Do they have strawberry Oreo McFlurries? I don't know. It's good. And I'm probably gonna only eat like 3 scoops of this because it's super sweet and rich. All right, good morning you guys. So it is currently about 8 a.m. I've been up for an hour. I got ready and everything, and I am just kind of chilling now until about 8:30, and then I'm gonna try and hopefully get a taxi to my work with all my bags. But the thing is, I live so close to my work that taxis don't really want to do that short of a trip. So fingers crossed I can convince one to take me. But yeah, here's all my stuff. Looks pretty much the same as when I showed you yesterday. It's so weird, like this is my home, and it's just weird that I'm gonna be gone for, I mean, it's only like a week, but still, like, Korea's my home. I love Korea, and it's just so weird that I'm leaving. If I'm being honest, I do expect to have a little bit of culture shock when I go back to America, just because, you know, first of all, it's so different, but also the whole like racial side. Like, I do think it's gonna be so weird for me to be out in society and not be the only white person or foreigner, you know. That's just kind of how it is here, and I think it's just gonna be weird. It's also gonna be weird like being able to understand everyone's conversations that I'm around, you know, because everyone speaks English over there and I'm just not used to that. So anyways, also my eyes are still puffy from that product. I think like my skin had some kind of reaction, so I feel like it looks like I've had filler put in my face, but really my eyes are just swollen. Anyways, I'm gonna go ahead and kind of just take the next few minutes to relax, enjoy being in my home, and then I'm gonna pack up and get going. So I'm gonna close the vlog off here. I'm definitely gonna do a travel vlog later today, so stay on the lookout for that. But I love you guys so much. Thank you for all of your endless support. It means the world to me. I hope you guys have a great holiday with your family, your friends, whatever you end up doing. Just know that I love you so much, and I'll see you guys so soon in my next video. Merry Christmas, guys. Love you. Bye.